Hello again. As you've seen my previous video about the appropriate steps of your daily skin regime, now I'm going to share the 5 common mistakes in using your daily skin regime. So kesalahan pertama, which I'm sure all of you have done, is not to remove your makeup. Ini sangat tidak bagus ya. So do not do this to your skin. Make sure you remove your makeup sebelum the cleansing process. So kesalahan kedua is cleansing your skin too often. 2 atau 3 kali cleansing is fine. Anything above 3 times a day is too much for your skin. So kesalahan 3 adalah untuk mengexfoliate skin terlalu kerap. Exfoliating once or twice a week is fine. Anything more than that would cause more harm and your skin to be more dry. Kesalahan keempat adalah tidak menggunakan sunblock. Ramai yang malas menggunakan sunblock. Sunblock harus digunakan sebagai produk asing, bukan not mixing it with any other products like moisturizer or foundation. Kesalahan kelima adalah menggunakan terlalu banyak produk untuk muka. So if you're confused and need advice, contact us to book a slot for a free consultation with me. Always remember, Glojas brings out the best in you.